Hello friends, this is Miss Rini, your virtual teacher's assistant, and right now I'm going to show you how to complete Day 12, Number 3 worksheet. The first thing I'm going to do is zoom in so that you can see what I'm doing, and I'm going to write my name. Right here it says trace and write the word 3. So I have it here where you can trace all of these, and underneath it, if you can try to write it yourself. Here it says color the areas with number 3 blue. There are a lot of 3s there, and when you see them, you are to color them blue. So these are all 3, so I'm going to color all of them blue. It's supposed to look like bubbles when you are done. This says draw 3 circles on the domino. Those are my circles. Now this says color the correct number. So you're going to count the forks and color in the correct number underneath each picture of forks. Now, you can do these 2 pictures on your own. So, after you write your name, you're going to trace the word 3 on these lines, and then write the word 3 on this line. You're going to color the areas with the number 3 blue. There's a whole bunch of 3s, so they need to be colored blue. You can color the soap whatever color you want to color the soap, but color the 3 blue. Here it says draw 3 circles on the domino and color it. I do 3 blue circles. Here it says color the correct number. There's 1 fork here, so I colored this. There are 3 forks here, so I colored that. And that is how you complete this worksheet. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.